Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a clear bright fireworks like this in After Effects. In this tutorial I use Trapcode particular plugin and also Deep Glow plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll create a new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Then I'll go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it background. Then hit OK. Go to effect and generate and gradient ramp. Set linear to radial and put this point into the middle. And choose your colors. I'll choose the blue one. Okay, now I'll go to layer and I'll add another solid and I'll name it Fireworks 1. Okay, now I'll go to effect, trap code and particular. Okay, now we have a particle here, so I'll go to emitter, go to first frame, keyframe on particles per second, and I'll change it to 2000. Then I'll go maybe 10 frames and I'll change it to 0. So let me see this. Okay. And now I'll go to particle. Then I'll go to size. I'll change it to 2 just right now because I want it to be 1. And I'll go to opacity random and I'll change, color random and I'll change it to 100. Okay. Then I'll go to opacity over life presets and I'll choose this one. Also size over life and I'll choose this one. Okay. Okay, so now I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type deep glow, double click or drag and drop. Then I'll go to exposure and I'll increase it maybe to 2. And also radius I'll change it to 200. Then I'll go to effects and presets again and I'll type exposure. Okay. Color correction exposure and drag and drop or double click. And I'll go to exposure and I'll increase it like this. Maybe to 2. So let me change size, particle size to 1. Okay, and also I'll go to gravity and I'll change it to 20. And see this. again. Yeah. Okay, this is very good. So now I'll go to Fireworks and Control D to copy, and then move this line to maybe 15. Then I'll go to emitter and position X, I'll change it. And let me put these particles here. Then I'll go to uh, exposure master and I'll change it to individual channel. Then I'll go to red exposure and I'll change this color to red. If you increase it, or you can decrease it also to change this color like this. Okay, again I'll go to fireworks number 1, Control D to copy, put it up, and I'll move it like this. Then I'll go to emitter, position, okay. Then I'll go to exposure again and change master to individual channels, and I'll take green exposure to change this color also. Again, I'll go to fireworks, the master, and I'll move it like this. Then I'll go to emitter again, change position, and set master to individual. Then I'll go to blue and I'll change this color to so now we have a fireworks like this. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.